Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to make a headings in HTML and style it with CSS file. So let's start it. First we make two files and name them to the extension of HTML and CSS. Then in the HTML file we type the HTML5 and press enter button. This is the sample of HTML5. And in the body tag we type h1. H1 is the bigger heading. H2 H2 is bigger but smaller than H1. H3 H3 is also smaller than H2. H4 H4 is smaller than H3. H5 H5 is smaller than H4. And the last H6 H6 is smallest of all. There is 5 headings in HTML and we type in heading. You can change the content but not the text. Copy it. So we give our headings a class. Class is a new property. Class headings. Class is similar than ID. ID is unique and class is not unique. We use class for styling one. We use class for styling more than one thing. An ID for one thing. Copy it. Paste it. Now we style our headings. When we use class, first we write a dot sign, then our class name, headings, then make we style our headings. First we check our output. So here we go. This is bigger heading and this is second is bigger. Second is smaller, bigger but smaller than first heading, and third is smaller than second heading, and fourth is smaller than third heading, and fifth is smaller than fourth heading, and sixth is smaller than all headings. Then now we use style our style our heading through CSS file. The color of our heading is color cyan. First we check our color. It is not. We load this and What is the mistake? You guys know, please tell me in the comment section. So the mistake is we don't link the CSS file. If you point out the mistake, so please comment the mistake. So please tell us know in the comment section if you point out this mistake before me. href second dot css extension. Now our color is cyan, but this is not visible clearly. So I like purple is visible. Purple is clearly visible on our screen on our browser. Yes, and also font weight is lighter, and font family is monospace, and font size is XX large. Now it's time to check our output. No, we remove the font size property because it's heading. Now we check our output. It's better, it's clearly better. So this is our video. I think we also text align our properties, text align center. Now check our output. This is pretty better. So this is our video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please support me for subscribe our channel, and like, share and comment our channel. Bye bye.